Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how it works and how to activate the Aqua Plus function on the washer dryer HAIER. So with the Aqua Plus function you can make your washing cycle with the large volume of the water, and with which the combination of the special drum rotating system, your load gonna be very fresh and all the detergent gonna be melted in the washing cycle. So it's a very good function for your clothes. And how to activate it, it's available only for some programs, and you have to click on the settings button until you see the LED next to this symbol, this Aqua Plus function, and now you can start your washing cycle with this feature. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.